Felix and my fellow classmates. Today I would like to give a presentation of quantity surveying drawing. These are my teammates. What is quantity surveyors? Basically, quantity surveyors calculates the amount and the cost of materials needed. They also manage and plan all costs associated with all types of construction projects from the beginning of the construction until the end of the construction projects. They also involve in commercial and practical elements of construction. Above all, quantity surveys are doing with the possible jobs at the possible price. So quantity surveys work in private practice for local authorities or for a contractor.
Quantity surveyors apply buildings economics and provide estimate at planning stages. They prepare the bills of quantities BQs from plans describing the materials, item of works, and the quantities required. They analyze tenders, prepare and analyze cost data, assess variation, negotiates claim value, complex structures, and buildings. Quantity surveyors also named as construction cost consultant, building construction economist, cost engineer, or estimator. Quantity surveyors, they draw basic straight line of curve line for certain measurement. Before a project starts, the project manager will hire a quantity surveyors, which is helped to calculate the estimating budget and materials for the whole project. This means quantity surveyor also involved in every part of construction. The various stages of cost planning during the design and construction phases. Preliminary estimate using a single price method of estimating. Second, cost plan based upon elemental analysis involving cost target. After cost plan is cost check, evaluating the design in terms of the cost target. Tender reconciliation, comparison of the accepted tender with the final cost plan. Post-contract cost control, the cost of during construction. This kind of stages are all involved in QS for calculating.
QS also provide full estimating and tendering solution for clients and main con and subcon. They estimate and tendering for main con. The subcon is builder quantity and produce for drawing and specification, preparation and submission of accurate quantity estimate. Following up on submitted tenders to secure project for client. Negotiating submitted contract. QS also provide an accurate and detailed valuation or application for payment solution for contractor and support. QS they prepare valuation like preliminaries, measure work, valuation of architect, construction or valuation of nominated subcontractor and supplier, and so on.
What is tender? Tender is a process submitting a proposal, and it usually prepared by completing firm for their bidding to get the construction. The picture below there is a tender notice by Pakistan government. It also a kind of contract mostly followed by public companies when government want to construct bridge, road, railways, airways, and so on. The government asks to give their quotation and start the bidding process. They choose the lowest price to get the best work, the job. These are the documents must be and compulsory, including in the tender document. Letter of invitation, pre-construction information, site waste management plan, contract condition, amendment, tender pricing document, drawing schedule, design drawing, and specification. Yes.
What is tender drawing? Basically, tender drawing is produced by an architect. It's used for estimating or pricing the cost of building to be constructed. Tender drawing is also issues project tendering stages. It also a submission to make an offer to the contractor. This is example of a bill of quantity prepared by QS. Section A, preliminaries. There's everything inside there is the calculation of every materials. Section B, street foundation. Section C, pin wall. Section D, oversight concrete, and Section E, wall up to roofing level. This is example of calculation of element of QS. Every QS must be knowing this kind of calculation.
What is construction drawings? The construction drawings are the graphic and written record of the decision made during the design process. They consist of the final drawings, details and specification, and are used to communicate the design intent of the construction. This drawing must be included in this kind of thing, such as wall, door, furniture, equipment, lighting, outlets, demolition, and so on. What to look for in a good set of the construction drawings means how to make the quantity surveying to more easier to see the drawings to estimate the build, such as floor plans, cover sheets, road plan, site plan, 3D axonometric views, and etc.